This is your updated winter weather briefing for the significant winter storm occurring today, Friday, January 2nd, and lasting through 9 a.m. Saturday, January 3rd. We've got a winter storm warning in effect for all of the far southern Texas Panhandle, South Plains, and Rolling Plains, in effect now through 9 a.m. Saturday. And if you did have travel planned for today or the first half of the weekend, you can see we're surrounded by winter storm warnings off to our south and west, an ice storm warning into southwestern Oklahoma, and conditions still remaining dangerous up into the Panhandle, where a winter weather advisory is in effect near Amarillo. So here are our forecast snow and ice accumulations for now through, again, 9 a.m. Saturday, January 3rd. And further north and west you venture off to from Lubbock, we'll expect higher snowfall amounts, whereas the farther south and east you go into the rolling plains and down near I-20, you can expect to see more icing totals there. So a band of freezing rain and sleet this morning will continue to make its way toward the west and north across the rolling plains and finally into the south plains with time by mid to late morning. And we'll see icing amounts anywhere from 1/2 to 1 inch down near Aspermont up to just south and east of Paducah. And icing amounts obviously less as you work up in the far southwest Panhandle toward Friona and Ray into Clovis. But in those areas you'll see snow amounts anywhere from 4 to 6 inches generally, with locally higher amounts certainly possible than what's depicted here, but this will by and large be the rule. And right in the vicinity of Lubbock, you can see right around that 1/4 inch of ice with snow and sleet accumulations anywhere from 3 to 5 inches. So for the rolling plains, the first impacted today with that initial freezing rain and sleet mix. Again, that'll work its way toward the north and west with the heaviest icing from around Aspermont to Paducah. Moderate to heavy rates at times will result in very quick accumulations. Power lines and trees will be weighed down, and will likely be a good deal of power losses experienced today into Saturday morning. And temperatures unfortunately will remain below freezing until at least Saturday afternoon, keeping conditions icy. And then for the South Plains, we'll see that band of freezing rain and sleet move off to the north and west and eventually mix with a little snow. And then tonight into Saturday morning will be the more significant round west of the Caprock Escarpment, where we'll see heavier snow move in, accumulations up to 4 to 6 inches possible, and again temperatures remaining below freezing into Saturday afternoon, keeping conditions icy. So please make sure you have a NOAA weather radio or some other reliable source to receive weather information. And with the possibility of widespread power outages, having battery backup in your weather radio would be a terrific idea. So if you can get that done this morning, the sooner the better. And then if you're able, we'll be updating as frequently as possible our social media outlets on Facebook and Twitter, and multimedia briefings here on YouTube.